You have flown to the stars, you've journeyed inside the human body. You've fallen in love, battled monsters, come of age, danced on stage, traveled through time, fought and died in war, laughed, cried, and been thrilled, all without getting out of your seat. Cinematic storytelling touches our emotions and transports us in ways that no other art form can. The experience can be personal, communal, or both. I'm Craig Good, visiting artist at CCA and 30-year veteran of Pixar. I'll be your guide to this look at cinematic storytelling. We'll see why story is an intrinsic part of us, learn to see the structure and grammar of cinema, and start our quest to become visual storytellers. Just as music has conventions of structure, and just as writing has rules of grammar, cinematic storytelling has a structure and grammar of its own. Movies are more like music than like paintings. Unlike something hanging on a museum wall, cinema is a temporal art form. You decide not only what your viewer will see, but for how long. Composition and framing matter, but so do context and rhythm. There are a lot of decisions to make when you tell your story. In this course, we'll learn the essential parts of story, how to identify them, and how to guide your viewer's attention. We'll learn the elements of visual storytelling, the alphabet of writing with pictures. We'll learn how to answer that basic question facing every filmmaker: where do I put the camera? We'll learn how staging, movement, and lighting support the story we want to tell, and how to assemble all of these pieces into a cohesive edit that grabs our audience. And after we learn all of those rules, we'll learn when to break them. Ready? Let's go.